Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to link your Twitch account to Blizzard Battle.net. So first of all, open your Blizzard account and make sure to log in into your account and click on account settings and click on connections. Scroll down and here you'll find Twitch options. All you have to do is just click on connect, continue, authorize, and it may ask you to log in into your Twitch account here. So log in into your account and click on continue. And here we can see I've successfully added my Twitch account here, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.